Hello, Jay here. Today we're going to do a quick lesson on B flat 7 chords. Okay, I want to point out that B flat is enharmonically the same as A sharp. So if you ever see an A sharp chord symbol, that means that you could also play all these voicings too. Okay, now to make our B flat 7 chord, I'm going to use the B flat Mixolydian scale. And Mixolydian is basically a major scale with a flat 7 because these dominant 7 chords all have flat 7s. Okay, so our notes for the B flat Mixolydian scale is going to be a B, C, D, E flat, F, G, A flat, back to a B flat. Then we're going to put some numbers on all of these degrees. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, flat 7 octave. And the flat 7 is that note that we took down, which would have normally have been an A natural in the key of B flat. Okay, now to make our B flat 7 chord, we're going to have a major triad. That's going to be a B flat D and an F, and that's 1, 3, 5. And then we're going to add that flat 7. So we're going to put an A flat in there, and that'll give us a B flat 7. Okay, now for B flat, I want to point out that this is also enharmonically known as A sharp, and we talked about the sharp side of a lot of these keys in the previous chapters. So today we're going to target identifying this as a B flat. Now, if I'm in the key of F, I would refer to this note as B flat as opposed to an A sharp, and sometimes it just depends on the keys that we're in. So I just want to point that out. Okay, now for B flat, we're going to keep us in this first position, and we're just going to do that same 5th string bar chord, but now we're in B flat based off of the 1st fret on the 5th string with my index. I got my ring finger on the 3rd fret, 4th string, barring getting the 1st fret, 3rd string with my index. Pinky gets the 3rd fret on the 2nd string, and then 1st fret on the 1st string is with my bar. And I'm going to make some contact and mute my low 6th string. Okay, now let's climb on up. Equally accessible is our B flat off of the low 6th string. It's on our 6th fret. I'm going to be targeting the 1st fret for our progressions today, but this is just equally a cool place to play your B flat. Okay, now I'm going to be doing that E string shape. So I've got my index finger on the 6th fret 6th string, ring fingers on the 8th fret 5th string, barring to get the 6th fret on the 4th string with my index, middle gets the 7th fret 3rd string, and then 6 frets on the first 2 strings with my index. Okay, now here's that variation if we put our pinky on the 9th fret on the 2nd string. Last one I'm going to give us is the D string root for our B flat 7 chord. Really cool chord. It's going to pop up a little bit higher pitch, and for this one our index finger is on the 8th fret 4th string, ring finger gets the 10th fret 3rd string, middle has the 9th fret 2nd string, and pinky has the 10th fret on the 1st string. And I'm just going to avoid my low 2 strings. It's going to have the root on the 3rd string, so I'm going to bar with my index finger and get the 3rd frets on the 4th, 3rd, and 2nd string, and that 3rd fret on the 3rd string is my note B flat. Then I'm going to use my middle finger to get the 4th fret on the 1st string, and this one has the flat 7 up on top.